What's up guys, today's video is on the best cat grooming brush. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Safari Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. What made this brush get the first spot in this listing? It's versatile, and you can put it for almost any type of coat, such as short, medium and long hair. It's efficient. The brush removes loose hair that is trapped in the undercoat. It massages skin and distributes oils to give an attractive shine. The brush is made of stainless steel pins that softly but effectively brush throughout the hair, removing loose hair, dissolving hair tangles, as well as removing dirt and dust. It also has an ergonomic design. The handle features a comfortable handle and ergonomic shape which makes it simple and user-friendly. Many other brushes aren't able to effectively take hair. Instead, they fly it across the sky as you take care of your hair. The brush will keep the majority of the hair securely in wires. When you're finished, you can simply pull the pins back to let loose a hair clump easily into the garbage. Number 2. Furbliss Pet Brush. The soft silicone brush is made for short-haired cats. The unique two-sided design is patented and features soft silicone nodules that pull out hair that has fallen out, improve circulation, and assist in helping to disperse natural oils to provide nourishment to the skin and coat. It's soft and squishy and is a good alternative for cats that find themselves irritated by metal or tough plastic combs and brushes. This brush is an excellent choice for those who bathe their pets. It performs the same when wet and dry as it does dry. The brush is equipped with shampoo reservoir cells that hold the cat's shampoo while bathing. Another unique characteristic of the brush is since it's made of 100% medical-grade silicone, it's dishwasher safe. That makes the brush a easy-to-use product. Number 3. Hanson Pet Grooming Gloves. Grooming gloves are very popular among cats that are sensitive, especially those who enjoy being pet but aren't fond of a hairbrush. In the event that your pet is scared of strange things scurrying through his coat, a grooming glove can be an alternative that is calming to the traditional cat brush. The Hanson glove comes with a few aspects that differentiate it in comparison to other grooming gloves. However, sizing is the main factor that makes it stand out. The glove comes in 5 sizes, including junior medium, small large, large plus extra big. Because they are so comfortable, they allow you to offer your cat a comfortable grooming session. The glove's bottom is covered with nitrile nodules. The bristles are longer, and your palms are covered by relatively less aggressive massaging nodes. Number 4. Hanson Pet Grooming Gloves. Perhaps the most well-known of pet brushes, the Furminator is renowned for its ability to pull hair out of the thick undercoat. It is equipped with a DeShedding edge made of stainless steel that extends beneath the topcoat to reach the undercoat's fuzzy surface, capturing loose hairs and preventing them from forming mats or spreading throughout the home. The Furminator does an excellent job of capturing hair with ease and does not send it flying throughout the space. Its ejector function makes it simple to throw away the fur that has been collected. Number 5. Eazee Disheting Brush. It's designed to get rid of hair from undercoats and not snag, pull or scratching the skin of your cat. Contrary to the sharp metal teeth on the Furminator, the Eazee Disheter is made of plastic. Although it's less expensive and isn't as well known as the Furminator, however, the Eazee Disheting tool does have certain characteristics that could make it a better option. The Eazee Disheter has 2 grooming blades, which allows you to choose between gentle and intensive grooming. Although you'll need to purchase the entire unit in order to allow for a short or long coat, the Eazee Disheter easily adjusts to different lengths of coats. Each Disheting blade can be reversible to accommodate short or long coats. You can buy Eazee's Eazee Disheter in blue, green as well as purple and pink shades. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.